the same kind of vibe as the first one, and it has actually a little homage. So after the piece starts, it plays a few notes of the first melody from the first Turrican, and then it moves into the theme for Turrican 2. So, but it moves perfectly from one to the other. So you could actually create easily a mega mix of the two, and you wouldn't know where one starts and stops. So so it's the same vibe, but it's just bigger and better. One thing I added to it was the ability to change the mixing frequency on the fly, so we could adjust it during the where it's actually running, because we had also a kind of a track mode in the intro of the game where that is playing, and each time the Turrican runs on screen and shoots something, the CPU doesn't have as much power, so you had to lower the mixing frequency, but it happens dynamically. And that was one of the special things I added to the system. And then it was just like I got it running, and I was just blown away by the capabilities that I all of a sudden had at my disposal, and I was just going crazy with the composition.